Hi Ugo. So I'm opening up the file that you sent me. One thing that you could do to check to see if it has live trace is go to view and outline. See how you don't see any outlines at all? That means that this has not been vectorized. So what we need to do is vectorize it. So we need to live trace it. It looks like you got them in, but now you need to live trace these. So, and it looks like you also made some layers. So you put each one on a different layer. You don't need to do that. They could all just be on the same layer. So I'm gonna take, this is just gonna confuse you, having too many layers. Let's take this and cut it, and we're gonna paste it. We're gonna go to layer 1, edit, paste in place. We'll paste it where it was before. I'm gonna go to layer 2, select that, cut, go back to layer 1. See how I paste it goes wherever? So let's edit, paste in place. Okay, so I'm gonna now go to your layers and delete those. So this isn't like Photoshop. You don't need a million layers here. Now let's try to live trace all of these at the same time, may as well. So I'm gonna select all, and now let's try to trace this. You go to Window, Image Trace. Bring up this window. You could close everything else, you don't need it. Now, okay, I'm gonna do one at a time then. See how if I have more than one, it's weird. So let's just try one at a time. I'm selecting this one. I'm with the selection tool and I select this. Let's put a preview on, and you want to go to advanced and say ignore the white. I'm gonna zoom in. That looks pretty good. So now I have to expand. If you don't expand, it's not gonna work. So you need to press expand. And now when I go to view outline, do you see how that's now an object and these are not? So I'm gonna leave you there, and I'm going to send you this file so you could keep working on it. And I want you to select this with the selection tool, go to Window and Image Trace, get this, make sure that you go to Advanced and that you say ignore the white. And you need, the last thing that you're going to do is expand it. If I press trace now. And then you could do expand up here or also object expand.